We are going to see about include directive. The include directive in AngularJS is used to dynamically include an external HTML file or template into the current HTML file. It allows you to modularize your application by breaking it into smaller reusable components and then including those components wherever needed. Key points of include directive. Modularization. Include facilitates modularization by allowing you to separate your application into smaller components or views, each contained in its own HTML file. Code reusability. By breaking your application into smaller components, you can use those components across different parts of your application, reducing duplication and promoting maintainability. Dynamic loading. include supports dynamic loading, meaning that the included current can change based on runtime condition or user interaction. The include directive is used in the HTML template to include HTML files, external HTML files or templates. Let us consider an example where we can have main HTML file and a separate HTML file containing a reusable components. We will use the include directive to include the component into the main file. Now I am going to show you the code how include works. Now I am going to create a div ng controller h2 Next, I'm going to create another div ng include component.html. Now to create another file component.html. Inside that I'm going to add h3 welcome to component html and the p. This is content included using include next I'm going to add a p for message. Next in the index.html I am going to add a script. Here var app equal to angular dot we want to create a module my app and an empty array. Next I want to define a controller app dot controller and inside that my ctrl, and I want to define a function scope and controller logic scope dot message equal to hello from the controller. If I run this, see I am getting ng include directive welcome to component in HTML. This is a content is included using ng include directive hello from the controller. Like this we want to use ng include to to get the another file or to get the another file. In main.html, we use the ng include directive to include the component or HTML file within a div element. When a main HTML is rendered in the browser, the content of the component.html will be dynamically loaded and included at the location of the div ng include equal to component.html. This allows us to reuse the content of the component.html across different parts of our application. When you run this code in a browser, you will see the main content along with the content of the included component, demonstrating the usage of ng include directive to include external HTML files or templates in AngularJS applications. Thank you.